Honestly, I didn't learn this
Mhm.
much things in my 4 year in the pharmacy in college in India. The
Okay.
thing I learned here in 4 months.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and Harika ma'am is like, she's not only teaching the pharmacy.
Mhm.
She is teaching very much valuable things about life, about her experience, about being with the people,
Yeah.
everything. She is
Yeah.
so good.
I
Yeah,
know. I
I
know.
won't forget her in my entire life.
Hello, everyone. Uh, Today is a very big day for the Elite Expertise because today we have got our Australian and New Zealand pharmacist exam, the Oprah exam results. And yet again, we have got 95 percentage of pass percentage. And today we have got our own Divya who has passed her exam in first attempt. Maja macho Divya. I don't know if I've sounded it right.
Yeah, it's correct. Yes,
Yeah.
Boj Majama.
How are you? How is everything? And how is this journey, dear?
I'm good. I was very nervous in the morning. I couldn't even sleep last night. But
Okay.
yeah, right now I'm very happy.
Yeah. How is it like being a pharmacy grad from India and an assistant pharmacy assistant in Australia, dear? What was the change which you have seen?
In India, the pharmacists don't have any value, honestly.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, but here it's like being a pharmacist is a very big thing.
Okay.
It's like equal to GP. People,
Oh.
because I'm working as a pharmacy assistant, I
Mm-hmm.
know that people won't go directly to the GP. They first come to the pharmacist. If
Oh.
they cure the
Okay.
reason, then
Yeah.
they don't have to go to GP. Yeah, I have seen many people coming to a pharmacist.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's so nice to hear. And what made you to choose Elite Expertise?
So my brother was he also joined the Elite Expertise,
Oh,
but he couldn't done the exam for
okay.
personal reasons. I don't know. So he
Okay.
told me, and then I googled about Elite and everything, and I got a good response. So that's why I choose Elite Expertise.
Yes. So, shall I ask you some pharmacology related questions?
Oh, yes, well,
So,
yeah.
how was it giving train? How was it being trained with Arif sir for pharmacology and calculations with Harika ma'am? How was your experience, dear?
Very, very good.
Okay.
Very, very good. Honestly, I'm not saying like I have seen every lecture, but I
Okay.
didn't attend it like every live lecture. But recording as well, everything was so perfect, so
Mm-hmm.
perfect.
Yeah, I can
Team
see.
was perfect. Harika ma'am, I can't say anything about her. She was like a magician.
That's
Yeah,
so
Arif sir
nice.
was also.
Yeah.
Both are too good.
Yeah. Many students say that, while writing the exam, I can, the
Yeah.
answers will be resonating
Yes.
in my ears. Even that happens with you as well. Is it the
Yes,
same?
yes,
Oh,
yes.
that's
And I believe the very line Harika ma'am was telling again and again, just always the answer is right, which comes first in your mind. I
oh,
believe that system.
that's a joke.
Yeah,
Okay, so you are applying it through. So you are
yeah,
respecting your gurus in such a way that.
yeah. Honestly, I didn't learn this
Mm-hmm.
much things in my 4 year in the pharmacy in college in India. The
Okay.
thing I learned here in 4 months.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and Harika ma'am is like, she's not only teaching the pharmacy.
Mhm.
She is teaching very much valuable things about life, about her experience, about being with the people,
Yeah.
everything. She is
Yeah.
so good.
I
Yeah,
know. I
I
know.
won't forget her in my entire life. I
That's so
love her.
that I can see evident. So are you coming for the meetup on 25th? If you're
I
in.
couldn't, nah,
Oh,
because I wasn't sure if I was going to pass or not, and
yes,
I also
you
got the job.
can. Are you in the
No,
Melbourne? Now are you in Melbourne?
I'm in the Melbourne, but I'm living very far in
Oh,
Williams Landing. So it
okay.
won't be possible for me. And the other thing is that day I think is a public holiday. So
Yes. It's like
I got a job.
I know, I can see that. And what's next here? So, and one more question. People say that because the CAP students or the Oprah students, they come back and say that whatever we have learned in our CAPS or Oprah journey, it's being like that sandwich. The first is the base, right? If the base is built proper, everything
Yeah.
goes well. So, they were able to pass the intern exams also because of this amount of knowledge. Do you agree for that as well, dear? Do you think, you know?
Yes. I last studied on 22nd of March, and even today when I see the name of drug and everything, I remember, and I don't think so I will ever forget.
Yeah, this is
So
there.
yeah.
The
I
concept.
even remember like the category, everything related to the drugs and everything.
Oh, so if the concept is very good, you can make through anything. So it's
Yeah.
not about rash methodology or this question,
Nah.
AI questions and all, right?
Yeah. Even from the today morning, I got personal messages from the students,
Okay.
like 4 or 5 students, that how did you pass the exam? Sirs
Oh.
and ma'am's lectures are enough or not, and everything. And I was like blindly believe in them. Like, yeah, it's enough. That's enough.
Yes, I
Yeah.
can see that's evident from you, dear. Thank you very, very much, Divya. But again, on a last note, if sir and ma'am are beside along with you, what would be you would be giving them? Like, last few words.
Like, thank you so much
Yeah.
to giving us this knowledge.
Yes.
And thank you for always being us. Like, I know they got their personal life and everything, they are doing their jobs, and still even within 10 minutes they are giving us answers, not during the live lectures, but also during the daytime. And also all the team, Elite Expertise team, are like best.
Thank you so much. And what do you want to say to one other Divya who is in Gujarat, who is aspiring to migrate to Australia? What advice you would give it to her, dear?
Just come here, just believe in sir and madam.
Everything is that. It's just like potato, right? Mix everything with the potato. Thank you so much, Divya. Thank you
No
so
problem.
much. It's such a nice, wonderful interview. May all wishes come true. God bless you all throughout. Thank you so much.
No
dear.
problem. Oh, good.
Do you like this, please?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.